If you're living in the USA and want to send money to family or friends in the Philippines through GCash, this video will save you time and headaches. A lot of people are surprised to learn that you can't actually send money directly from the USA to GCash inside the app. There's no built-in feature for that yet, but don't worry. There's a simple workaround, and I'll walk you through it step by step so your money arrives safely. The easiest way to do this is by using a trusted third-party service like Western Union. Here's how it works. First, head to the official Western Union website at westernunion.com or download the app from your app store. Create an account by entering your mobile number, filling out your personal details, and uploading a valid ID if required. Once your account is set up, click Start New Transfer. Enter the amount you want to send, then add your recipient's details. If you've never sent money to them before, select Send to Someone New. For the payout method, choose GCash. This is what allows the funds to land directly in their GCash wallet. Next, pick how you want to pay. Western Union gives you options like credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or even Google Pay. Review the transfer details carefully to make sure everything is correct, especially the recipient's name and mobile number. Then hit Continue to complete the payment. Once processed, your recipient should get the money in their GCash wallet, often within minutes. Couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Always use official websites or apps to avoid scams, double-check your recipient's information to prevent delays, and keep your transaction reference number handy until the money is confirmed. And that's it. That's how you send money from the USA to the Philippines using GCash through Western Union. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.